Okay, first of all, it's important to realise here that the 2, 4, 7, 3, 6, and 10 represent how many items there are in each area of the Venn diagram. So there are 2 things here and 4 things here. It doesn't mean the number 2 or the number 4. Okay, so the first thing we're asked to do is work out n of A union B. Okay, now the union of the 2 sets A and B means we take set A and set B and we put the 2 sets together, see how many elements there are all together in set A and set B. Well, they don't actually even overlap set A and set B. So in set A, so the number in set A is 2 plus 4, which is 6, and the number in set B are these 2, that's 6 and 3, which is 9. So n of A union B, if we put those 2 together, is just 9 plus 6, which is 15. Okay, n of b dashed, well, the b dashed means the complement of set B. So it's everything which is not in set B. Okay, so here we have set B. Everything which is not inside that set is the 7, the 4, the 2, and the 10. So that's not inside set B, which is here. So n of b dashed is just 10, just the 10 plus the 2 plus the 4 plus the 7, which is 16 and 7, which is 23. Okay, next one, A intersection C dash. This is quite hard to see. If you like, you're saying to yourself, where would you be on the Venn diagram if you were in set A and you were also not in set C? So which part of the Venn diagram is in A, but it's not in C? Okay, so if you look at the Venn diagram, let's just rub out what I've put on there already. You are going to be in A, but you're not in C. Okay, so inside A is here, and that's got to intersect with everything which is not in C. So if you're in the circle A, but you're not in circle C, you are here. So you're one of these 2 items here. So n of A intersection C is just 2. Now, number 4. This is quite tricky. I think it's well worth learning a nice little identity which says this. If you've got A dashed intersection B dashed, which I think is quite hard to find, then the easier way to find it is to find A union B, and then it's everything not in the union. And in the same way, if you've got A dashed union B dashed, again, that's difficult to find. Much easier to find is this alternative, which is the intersection of A and B. Notice that these are the opposite signs, and that's everything that's not in the intersection. So if we look at this, n of B dashed intersection C dash, that's the same as n of B union C with a dash. Okay, so let's just have a look at this first. B union C. Okay, well, if we look for B union C, I'll just draw around them here. B union C, well, here's B and here's C. B union C is everything which is in those 2 sets. So that's the 4, the 7, the 3, and the 6. Everything which is not in there, well, the only things which are outside are the 2 here and the 10 here. So these are the things which are not in the union of B and C. So the things which are not in the union of B and C is just that 2 plus 10, which makes 12.